I'll show you the best way to delete your Docusign account. If you're ready to move on, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and simple. First, open your browser and head to docusign.com. On the homepage, click the login button in the top right corner, then sign in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Docusign dashboard. From here, look at the top navigation bar and click Admin. This will take you to the admin dashboard where you can manage all your account settings. Next, find Plan and Billing in the sidebar. Click it and you'll see your current subscription details. At the bottom of this page, you'll find the Close Account option. Click it, follow the prompts, and confirm your choice. Just remember, closing your account is permanent, so make sure you've saved any important documents or resolved any billing before proceeding. And that's it. Your Docusign account is now deleted. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.